So see next, dimension of mass. In mass only m is present, l and t is absent. So dimension of mass is l power 0 because l is absent. M is present, so m only one m is present, so m raised to 1 and t raised to 0. Then next, time. The dimension of time, here time is present but these two quantities are absent, so we write here l0 m0 and t raised to 1. We use a similar order for all dimensions. So next, physical quantity, area. We find the dimension of area. So to find dimensions, we know the formula of physical quantities. So the formula of area is equal to length into breadth. So length also measured in meter and breadth also measured in meter. So both are meters quantity. So for length we write L and breadth we write L. So L into L, L square. So dimension of area here L square, and so we write dimension of area here L square. So we write here L square. M and T is 0, therefore power of M is 0 and T is 0. From dimensions we also find the unit of physical quantity. So unit of area. So here is L square. L means length and length measured in meters. So L square means M square. This is unit of area. अशा पद्धतीने आपण युनिट पण काढू शकतो आणि डायमेन्शन पण काढू शकतो. आता नेक्स्ट फिजिकल क्वांटिटी व्हॉल्यूम. तो व्हॉल्यूम इज लेंथ इंटू ब्रेथ इंटू हाइट. सो इन सिम्बॉल L इंटू B इंटू H. But these three quantity are distance, so we denote it by L. So L into L into L, so L cube. So here dimension is L cube. M and T is absent, so we write here M raised to 0, T raised to 0. So L is measured in meter, so unit of volume is meter cube. So see next physical quantity, density. Density, formula of density is equal to mass into volume. So mass is denoted by M, and we already seen volume is L cube. So dimension is here L is denominator. If we put into numerator, so for we get negative power. So here is L raised to minus 3. M is present at numerator, so M is equal to M raised to 1 and T is absent, so T raised to 0. छेदस्थानी आहे, त्याला अंशस्थानी घेतला तर पॉझिटिव्हचा निगेटिव्ह होतो, म्हणून आपण एलची पॉवर -3 लिहिली. तर एम हा न्यूमरेटरलाच आहे म्हणून एम रेस टू 1 लिहिला आणि टी ॲबसेंट आहे म्हणून टी रेस टू 0. आणि या फॉर्म्युल्याच्या सहाय्याने आपण युनिट पण फाइंड आउट करू शकतो. तो मास इज मेजर्ड इन किलोग्रॅम अँड दिस इज अ डिनॉमिनेटर फॅक्टर. सो अपॉन एल मीन्स लेंथ मेजर्ड इन मीटर, सो इथे मीटर क्यूब. दिस इज फॉर्म्युला ऑफ डेन्सिटी. See next, physical quantity, velocity. The formula of velocity is equal to distance upon time. So distance is measured in L and time in T. So dimensions is here T. If we T substitute in numerator, then we get T raised to -1. So here is L raised to 1, M is absent, so M 0, T raised to -1. This is dimensions, and unit is L measured in meter and time measured in seconds, so M upon S. The next physical quantity, acceleration. Formula of acceleration is equal to velocity upon time. Thus velocity is equal to distance or displacement, both may be same. Distance upon time and divided by this time. So time into time, time square. So distance is measured in L and time is measured in T. So here is L upon T square. So if you write dimensions, so write in square bracket, L is present, so L raised to 1, M is absent, so M raised to 0, T is at denominator, so we write here T raised to -2. If we find the unit of this quantity, so L is measured in meter, length is measured in meter and time is measured in second, so here we write E meter per second square. So next physical quantity, force. The formula of force is mass into acceleration. So mass as it is, but acceleration is also write as velocity upon time. but velocity formula, you know, velocity is equal to distance upon time, and this time is as it is time into time square. So if we put the symbols, mass is m, distance in l, and time is t, so here square, so here write with square. So we write dimensions here. L is present, so L raised to 1. M is present, so M raised to 1. And T is at denominator, so we write here T raised to minus 2. This is dimension of force, and maybe write here unit. So mass is measured in kilogram, length is measured in meter, divided by time is measured in seconds, so seconds square. This is unit of force. Then next physical quantity is pressure. The formula of pressure is force upon area. So this is equal to force is also denoted as, here we write mass into acceleration upon area. So mass as it is, acceleration we also write acceleration is equal to velocity upon time, and upon divided by area as it is. So mass is as it is, but also velocity is right. Formula of velocity is distance upon time. So time into time square. So here we get mass into distance, area into time square. Mass into distance upon time square. So this quantity divide quantity. So this time square and area multiply each other. So here write mass into distance upon area into time square. But we know area is equal to length into breadth. So length and breadth both measured in L. So we write here L square. So here is m into distance is also maybe write as symbolically L. Area means L square, and into time is measured in T. So we write here T square. So L and L square means 1 L is cancel. So here remaining is m L upon T square. So we write dimensions here. L is at denominator, so L raised to minus 1. M is present, so M raised to 1, and T is at denominator, so here therefore T raised to minus 2. This is dimension of pressure. And we write also unit. So unit of mass is kilogram, length meter, and time second is square, so we write here square. The next physical quantity is impulse. So impulse is equal to force into time. So formula of force is mass into acceleration into time. So acceleration is maybe also write as velocity upon time. So time get cancels. So here remaining is mass, and velocity also written as distance upon time. So write as symbolically m into distance means L and time T. So write dimension here. L is present, so L raised to 1, M raised to 1, and T is at denominator, therefore T raised to minus 1. And also write unit as m measured in kilogram, length measured in meter, and time measured in second upon s. This is unit of impulse. Now see next quantity, work. The formula of work is force into displacement. So formula of force is mass into acceleration into displacement. So mass acceleration formula is velocity upon time into displacement. The formula of velocity is distance upon time. So time into time square, and into distance, displacement means distance, both are similar quantity. So here m, distance measured in L, time, this is a T square, symbol, we use symbol here, distance L, time T square, and distance means displacement is also maybe measured in L. So here m into L, so m L square upon T square. So dimensions are m is present, so m raised to 1, L is present, power of L is 2, so we write here L square. T is at denominator and power is 2, so we write here T raised to minus 2. So dimension of work is L square, m raised to 1, T raised to minus 2. We find unit also. M is measured in kilogram, L is measured in meters, so meter square, and time is measured in seconds, so kilogram meter square per second square. See next physical quantities, kinetic energy. The formula of kinetic energy into 1 upon 2 mass into velocity square. that is 1 upon 2 mv square. So 1 upon 2 m as it is, m is as it is. So velocity, formula of velocity is distance upon time. So distance is measure, symbol is L, time symbol is T, bracket square. So 1 upon 2 does not any unit, because 1 upon 2 is a constant quantity, so we don't write here 1 upon 2. So remaining m we write in capital state, mass in capital M, here L square upon T square. So dimensions is m, L is present and power is 2, so L square, m has power 1, m raised to 1, T is at denominator, so T raised to minus 2. This is dimension of kinetic energy. Maybe write unit also, m measured in kilogram, L measured in meter square upon T square, time measured in seconds, so second square. See next physical quantity, momentum. The formula of momentum is equal to mass into velocity. So mass into velocity formula, distance upon time. So distance measured means symbol is L and time symbol is T. So here we get ml upon T. So here m is present, power is 1, L is present, power in 1, and T is at denominator, so T raised to minus 1. This is dimension of momentum. Maybe also write units, meter. Mass is measured in kilogram, length in meter, and time in seconds. So kilogram meter per second. This is unit of momentum. Now see next quantity, charge. So charge is equal to current into time. So in these three are the main physical quantity. If any one quantity like current, kinetic, current, temperature, this quantity is occur, then write is fourth quantity or fifth quantity as like this. So here charge is equal to current into time. So here L is absent, so L raised to 0, m raised to 0, time is present, so T raised to 1, and I is present, so I raised to 1. If here K, then also write here K raised to 1 as like this. Understand? So we take some questions here. So first question is, find the dimension of following physical quantity. You find the dimension of these quantities. For your information, we give the formula of these quantities. So first is power, potential energy, frequency, wavelength and trace. त्यांचे फॉर्म्युले पण मी इथं दिलेले, तुम्हाला अडचण येऊ नये म्हणून ते फॉर्म्युले पाहून तुम्ही त्यांचे डायमेन्शन काढा आणि मला पाठवा व्हॉट्सअप नंबरवर. काही अडचण आली तर विचारा. थँक्यू.